Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to the Bahamas in the Remitly app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go to the manage menu in the bottom right corner. Then we tap on sending to under account details, and here we select Bahamas. Then after it loads, we will be able to send money to the Bahamas by tapping on send in the bottom of the screen. Then here we can just type in the amount that we want to send, review the transfer details, and then tap on continue to send the money. That's basically it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.